What's going on, my beautiful people? My name is Gharfeh, and today we are at the Arizona Taco Festival. It happens about once a year in the month of October, and we are about to eat some tacos. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I upload vegan restaurant reviews, I eat vegan food, I make vegan recipes, just everything vegan basically, and I vlog it all. So if you guys like that kind of stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's eat some tacos. Check it out, guys. Verdura doing me right again. Did a review here before and the food was delicious, and got a nice free taco, the carne asada. Let's try this out. Was it good? Hell yeah.
My shit's done. Ain't nothing left.
Wow.
Is that right?
That's fire.
Is there other vegan spots out here? Is there?
I think so, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Right?
That's so good. I'm going back for seconds. Gotta get another one.
Actually, I got one for you.
You got one for me?
Yeah, I got two more for you.
It's fully vegan.
Fully vegan. Hey, it's fully vegan, right? Fully vegan, right?
It's vegan, yeah.
Let's go. Nice. Mushroom soy riso, and it's got a vegan cojita cheese. A vegan chipotle crema? It's got a vegan chipotle crema on it. OMG, let's go. I wish I could do two things at once, but I can't. Oh, you got me. That's my guy right there. Thank you, sir. Mushroom soy riso.
Right? So good, you
Fire.
gotta shake your head.
Yeah. Really good. Thank you. So I'm back at home now, and I couldn't really film when I was eating that jackfruit taco just because they're playing really, really loud music. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I just muted that footage all in all. But that jackfruit taco was really good, really, really spicy, but I think my favorite was the carne asada one that you guys saw me try first. And then I also had that mushroom soy riso taco from Tocaya, which was fire. Really, really good. I've never had mushroom soy riso, or mushroom chorizo. I don't think there was any soy in it, so mushroom chorizo. But really tasty. I think that's a new thing on their item because I was there last week for Taco Tuesday and I did not see that on the menu. So I think it's a pretty new item, which I do like. So I hope they keep it going and bring it back. And all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys thought. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. The deuce.